joy, girl. No matter where you're going, everywhere your fame is growing. Whisking Beauty internationally.
My people, this time we say we could enter our archive again. We could bring us more story waiting for that side. Now we say we could bring this advert of Joy Girl that year. Oh, some people see this one and they will begin smile. They remember their first love. Before that time, Nigeria get value well. Even if in that time for Nigeria, our naira they rub shoulder with dollars and pounds because that time all of them are mates together. That time I remember saying Nigeria food, our food get value well. Our money will call it too the value too much because you will carry shekere money like 500 enter market. Now 2 pick-up go pack the load for you to come out. Now people that time say even friendship, it dey very very real, no artificial, no fake. Marriage self, marriage come make me remember my pale that year because of the love self for the marriage that year. My pale they eat my male go take and they rub him back. They tell us say, honey, are you enjoying the food? Hey, my people, things go better again. Oh, that's what we see for Nigeria here because with this advice we know say yes, we could go back to the good old days because we know say one day we will still be like this again. It never bad, we never lose hope, my people. Now make we bring up from Pidgin News Network to show now say hope see day. Say this enjoyment we will get for before we go still get them again. Everything we lost value for Nigeria, we go still getting value back again. My people, this now Pidgin News Network and a man on the street be this.